So ayan, pangit yata ng video ko. Anyway, nandito tayo sa may Nepo Mall Viewpoint. So ito dati ito yung pinupuntahan natin bago pa nagkaroon ng SM City. Ayan, diba? Ito yung parking nila dito sa may New Point. Pababa tayo using our espresso. And this is how it looks. Ito, dati na to, wala pang SM City Clark Skyline eh. Ito na dati tayo nagpa-park dito. So ayan, kikita po ninyo sa video how it looks right now. Ayan. Dami pa rin nakapark. And ayan, dito na tayo sa may where you pay the bill. The parking ticket. 30 pesos. Okay. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you. So yun, we just paid. Dito baligtad naman. Sa Skyline kasi you pay before you enter the parking area, right? Dito naman sa New Point, dito sa may Nepo, you can just get the ticket as well doon sa kanilang yung kanilang still parking. You can pay whenever before you exit the parking area. So before you go out, you pay before exiting the parking area. Sa SM naman kasi, sa kanilang Skyline at sa kanilang still deck parking, you have to pay before you enter. Ayan, so that's the difference. And right now they're both charging how much? 30 pesos. Ayan, both SM City Clark and Nepo. So ayan, palabas na tayo. Ito na po ang Nepo. Yun, may mga advocates ng mga religious groups. So this is Angeles City right now. This is part still of Nepo Quad. Probably, as you can see on the right, that's Nepo Mall. On the left, that's Genera Mall, the blue and gray squares there, the building on the left. All right, I'll give you a quick tour. All right, I'll turn left and let's do a quick roundup of Nepo, Angeles City. So ayan on the left, as you can see, that's New Point. There you go. Siyempre dito may mga pedestrian lane. You have to respect that. We always have to take care of our pedestrians. Like na may tumatawid sa pedestrian lane, we have to give them a break and stop for them para makapag-cross sila. Sinasabi natin, being a good citizen. So ayan, the usual, you have the Nepo Mart on the right side, and that's McDonald's Nepo, and it's pretty bustling. A lot of parked cars actually those are paid parking on the street. Meron yung ganyan dito sa may Nepo. And on the right here yan yung mga Nepo Quad. Yan, madami na dyan. Okay, here's another pedestrian. Let's let them pass. Yan, as you can see, that's the Nepo Quad. A lot of Grab drivers, Panda I think. Yan, as you can see na Nepo Quad. And we are approaching the site of Rockwell. On the right, meron din tayo. Ayan, meron din yan. Quad 2, that's the Quad 2 on the right. Quad 2. So, okay pala to. Oh, there you go. Ayan, yan po ang Rockwell Nepo. Angeles Electric on the left. Sorry, you can't see it. Ayan. Hope you can see the Rockwell Nepo. And then there's the glass house. That one, glass house. Hope you can see that. Yan po. This is Nepo, no? And it's starting to look like a mini Makati BGC. It's still, of course, the development still ongoing, but a lot of Angeleños are really excited. Parang na-elevate yung lifestyle, or sana ganun din sa when it comes to the standard of living na. Tumaas sa sweldo, everyone goes up. Walang maiiwan dapat, diba? And a big thumbs up lalo na sa Nepo, the whole family. Not just because meron tayong mga kaibigan doon, like JDN, but thank you for making Angeles City grow. And hindi lang yung kasi, as far as I know, itong Nepo is part of the old downtown, di ba? Everybody knows that. Yung Goma Park, if you can still remember that. But ito nga, the Nepo group, alam naman natin, magkakamag-anak sila. They have like TGN, JDN, ano pa ba, Angeles Electric. But they're doing something kasi alam mo yun, they're doing something to improve the landscape, the business landscape in Angeles City. Yan ang kagandahan, no? Yung umusbong, I mean nag-develop talaga yung business mo, kumita ka, alam mo yun. Okay, paikot lang tayo ha. On the right side siguro naman nakita ninyo kanina yung Totobits na tinatawag. Dito po yung mga street foods na sikat. Kasi ito lang yung ruta ko pabalik ng bahay. So eto, ikot lang tayo ulit, then we'll turn left later on to sa may Angeles Electric. So yun nga, sinasabi natin they developed, syempre lupa nila, but they developed it for business, but they still consider the welfare na yun nga, they made sure makikinabang ang mga Angeleños, mga locals. Ayan. May nakita nga akong page, tunay anak ng Angeles. Ayan, yung masasabi natin. So they're doing their part to give back to the community also. Kasi okay, nag-improve ang lugar, syempre yung makikinabang yung mga tao, di ba? Once na nagtayo ka ng mga business, of course jobs will follow through. I mean, magkakaroon ng job generation. So syempre saan pa ba sila kukuha? Mostly naman just nearby, near the vicinity, Angeleños, di ba? So yun ang kagandahan dito, kasama ang community sa pagunlad ng isang lugar. So thumbs up talaga. Ito pala, as you can see, the Angeles Electric, no? Diyan tayo madalas magbayad ng kuryente. At nakasarado yung gate ng Villa Teresa rito. I think yung doon sa isang gate nila, yung main gate ang nakabukas. And this is Entec 1. Ayan, yung building na yan. That is Entec 1. Marami din po dyan mga call centers, mga businesses, offices. Ayan. So ayan yung steel deck roof, yung steel deck parking nila. And on the right side naman, as you can see, yun yung lumang, this is an old building but it's still very functional. A lot of offices are there. Merong China Bank dyan, SSS government offices, Pag-ibig Fund is there, still there, BIR I think, DTI. So they're still housing a lot of businesses and government offices dito sa may itong building na to ng Nepo. I'm not just sure what do they call this pero I'm sure yung mga tiga dito alam nila it's here. Ito yung building na mahaba, merong PhilHealth. Ayan, I'm sure you know that. And ito yung malapit dito sa may Perfect Globe. Ayan. Okay. So we're gonna turn right tayo dito sa may side ng Nepo Mall, papalik sa may likod ng HRP, Holy Rosary Parish Church, Isambang Maragul. Ayan. Doon yung daan natin, yung sa side ng Holy Angel University. So makikita naman ninyo on the street right now. I hope you're having yung mga kababayan natin abroad can see the new Angeles City. And pag matagal na po kayo hindi umuwi, I'm sure maliligaw kayo rito. Medyo malilito pa rin kayo ng konti. Although I'm sure familiar yung mga roads, but kung 10 years ago, 10 years ago kayo na huling nandito, ay nako, maninibago po kayo. Very major difference. Ayan. I mean, there is a major improvement lalo na sa mga roads. Although, yun nga, a lot of roads are still being improved as we speak. Kakaroon nga ng flyover dyan sa may MacArthur Highway, sa may Pandan intersection. So, eto na po yung dadaanan natin pa uwi. Of course, on this side is a Holy Family. Yung old site, Holy Family. Turo ako ng turo On the right side, ayan, yung if you're turning right, it's gonna be the Villa Teresa. Ayan po ang straight line is gonna be Holy Angel. Ayan po ang side ng Holy Angel University. Kung 10 years ago nandito kayo, malaking difference na rin po. Napakaganda na ng Holy Angel. Diba? It's like you're in Makati na talaga. HRP on the left, Holy Angel on the right. Talagang perfect place for any foreigner to settle down dito sa Angeles City actually. Kasi, you know, we got good hospitals and malls nearby, daming malls, banks, wala kang problema. Ito yata yung pinakamaraming banks sa syudad dito in Pampanga, kasi naman natin Angeles City is very highly urbanized na yan. Ibang klase ang level talaga ng Angeles City, di ba? So ayan, we're on our way home. Tignan nyo na mga improvement ng mga buildings. That's the old Prudential naman. We're gonna turn left. Ayan. Alright, thank you guys. Sa ibang araw will probably feature other KBO on the road na mga lugar, no? Para yung mga kababayan natin, sana yung nasa abroad mapapanood to, makita yung real road, real time on the road, hindi lang photos nung kanilang kinalakihang bayan, syudad. We will go there. Comment po kayo, mag-request po kayo kung alin ang gusto nyong i-feature natin, na gusto nyong makita yung real road situation ng inyong mga kanya-kanyang bayan at kinalakihan. Sana mapuntahan natin. Thank you very much, KBO on the road, Johnny D dito sa New Media Pampanga.